The basics are often the most boring pieces to shop for, but the reality is they are the hardest working pieces that you will own. So in today's episode, I've uncovered some of fall's most fabulous basics so that you don't have to. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I am thrilled that you found me. I post new fashion videos every single week, and if you like this one, I would love you to subscribe to my channel for more. But as I just mentioned, today we're talking fall fashion basics, and yes, I'm not going to deny it. It's really often very boring to buy these pieces, but they are real essentials. They're the glue that holds your wardrobe together. They're the core pieces that really do create a solid foundation for lots of different outfits. Without them, it's really tricky to get dressed and to create those outfits that you feel great in. So I've had a look online and picked out some of what I believe to be the most practical fall fashion essentials. So if you would like to see what they are, then you know what to do. Just keep watching. Okay, the first category that I'm going to touch on is tops. And speaking of tops, you've probably noticed that I've worn this particular shirt in a couple of recent videos, and that's because it's a new one and I absolutely love it, and I've been wearing it on repeat. It's from a New Zealand fashion designer called Heidi Frank. I will link them down below if you want to go and check them out. But the whole idea of these essential pieces is that you can wear them over and over again. So I thought, because I'm wearing one of my new favorite essentials, I would start with tops. So here's what I found. First up, I really love these knitted bralettes. I think they're a great layering piece for fall, and I first saw them on the lovely Karen Britchick when she was, I think she just posted this Instagram video, but she does wear these bralettes all the time. And as you can see here, they come in different colors. So there's the black, the marl grey, and obviously the sort of the beigey color as well. And this is just a shot from Karen's Instagram where she just wears them so well. So they are my first essential top. I also absolutely love this gathered fine polo. I just think layering is the key to surviving fall, and a simple, really fine, lightweight polo is the way to go. The gathering just adds a little bit of interest to this one. A classic man style white shirt is going to really help you in terms of creating all sorts of different interesting outfits. So this is an absolute must in my mind. I absolutely love this fine, lightweight knit crew, and again, it is just a brilliant layering piece, and this particular style comes in lots of different colorways, which I think makes it super handy. And knitted vests are great for layering over classic shirts or tees, and that's why I think that they are a fall essential. Next up, we're going to look at footwear, and footwear's always been a favorite of mine because it's so easy to shop for, and regardless of whether you put on weight or lose weight, your footwear, your shoes are always going to fit, especially if you buy and invest in some really good basics that are going to be with you for more than just one season. So here are my favorite fall fashion footwear buys. Loafers are always fashionable in my mind, but this season they seem to be bigger than ever. So if you love this style, then now's the time to buy them. Also, you can get some loafers that are not quite so chunky if that's your jam, but there are plenty around now, and these are great basics. I also saw these really cool trainers, and or whatever you call them, hiking kind of shoes. They look to me like they're fun, they're comfortable, and really practical as well. I love the lighter tone too. Chelsea boots are a real timeless classic, and I particularly love these ones because of that sort of wood detailing in the heel that just broke them up, and also that contrast in the stitching and the little sort of toe detail as well. But these would be a great addition to any lineup. Now, if you're after comfort and warmth and some cool styling, then these hiking style boots are really fab as well. Not only are they functional, but they will always look good. I couldn't help but notice these cute little tan booties with the lug soles, and I also really liked them. So I've included them here because, again, they are a shoe that will not be going anywhere fast. Now next up we're looking at dresses, and in the last couple of seasons I've got more and more into dresses because they're just so easy. They're an outfit on their own, one and done, and you are ready to go. So here are a couple of dresses that I think are perfect for fall. I absolutely love this sweater dress because not only will it keep you nice and warm, it's also one of those multifunctional pieces that you can wear on its own as a dress, or you could wear it open as a lightweight coat, and for that reason I think it's a real winner. Slip dresses are also really versatile for layering under and over pieces, and this particular one is a great length and it also comes in lots of different colours. This simple knit dress is also a real winner because it actually comes with this little bolero type jacket that sits perfectly over it. So again, you get two pieces for the price of one. It also comes in this darker colour, which again makes it really versatile. In the same way that the first sweater dress was versatile, so too is this beautiful shirt dress, which can be worn, as you can see here, open over pants. It can be worn on its own as a dress, or simply worn open as a very lightweight layering piece. I couldn't create a video like this without including some core accessories that are on trend for fall. Now generally these basic kind of pieces are not trend focused pieces, but these couple of accessories are, I think, going to stand the test of time. They're always going to be fun pieces that you can own for a long time, and the great thing about accessories is that they are a really cost-effective way of updating an otherwise simple outfit. So these are the accessories that I think are worth taking a look at. Now I know that fanny packs or bum bags are not for everyone, but I thought this one was particularly cute, and I love them because they add a little bit of shape to an outfit, and of course they are super practical. Anything padded is really in this season, and I particularly love these padded totes. Not only will they hold a lot of your goodies, but they'll also keep you a little bit warm. They come in a couple of different colorways, and I just think that they are one of those pieces that you can enjoy for years to come. Now this little bag is not necessarily an essential, but it's a very cost-effective and fun way to update your new season wardrobe. As you can see, it comes in lots of different colors, and it's just a real cutie. Of course, with the weather getting cooler, now's a great time to start thinking about your outerwear. So what coats and jackets that you currently own, and whether you need to invest in something new to meet your needs. Obviously our lifestyles have changed a lot in the last couple of years. Well, they certainly have for me, and I'm sure they have for you. So looking at some of that outerwear that you currently own and seeing whether that still serves you. So I've included some pieces that I think are going to be super useful and also pretty timeless as well. So take a look. This gorgeous chocolate brown wrap coat is definitely timeless in my mind. I love the fact that you can wear it tied up or open for a completely different look. It also doesn't have a collar, which makes it far more versatile, because collars are generally the first thing that will date an item. Quilted jackets are super sophisticated in my mind. I love this gorgeous off-white little cropped jacket. Now, if cropped jackets aren't your thing, this one may be more to your taste. It's a little bit longer, a little bit roomier, and I love the fact that it dips down in the back just for a little bit more coverage. A great shacket is really versatile also. This one is obviously plaid, but they come in plain, corduroy, all sorts of different fabrics. But it's basically midway between a shirt and a jacket, and they're great worn on their own, buttoned up, or open like this. I don't know about you guys, but comfort is key for me these days. But the good news is you can still be stylish and fashion forward, but also be comfortable. And so I've found a couple of loungewear pieces that I think do serve exactly that purpose. They will look cool, but you'll still be comfy. I can't go past a good sweatshirt, and this one I particularly love. I've actually had my eye on it for a while. This is also another one. They are from Anina Bing, which is one of my favorite designers. I've also included this really lovely loose fitting short suit because I think it's one of those perfect pieces for lounging around before it gets too chilly. And also the shirt is just a great basic as well. And lastly, we're looking at pants, and I think pants tend to be one of the hardest working items in my wardrobe. And certainly when it comes to creating outfits, I always start with my bottom half, whether it's pants or skirts or shorts, whatever that may be. I almost work from the bottom up when I'm creating outfits. So certainly in my closet, pants become really key. So here are a few fall pants that I think are fab. When it comes to versatility, you really couldn't go past these leather look joggers. I love the fact that they are a piece that you could dress up or, as you can see here, wear really casually. They're a little bit more elevated than your straight sweatpant, but again, they are going to be super comfy. These particular ones come in a couple of different colorways. This is the slightly darker shade, but I think that they would make a great addition to a fall wardrobe. If the leather look is not for you, then I've found this pair in a classic knit. And again, I think that this is just a pair that's a little bit more elevated than your straight sweatshirt type of material. These palazzo pants, again, are an elevated take on a tracksuit sweatpant, and as you can see, they just look really sophisticated. I love these pants because they are a tailored pant, but they are stretch, and they also have this waistband detail which makes them a perfect fit every time. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, I'd love you to give it a big thumbs up. It really does mean the world to me. And the YouTube algorithm seems to show my videos to more people if you engage with them. So that's just liking a video or commenting. So if you liked it, please do all of that. And if you'd like to keep up with all of my videos and my upcoming uploads, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and click that little bell icon too, because then you'll be notified when I do upload a new video. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.